Hey guys, back to the video. It's me, Kevin. Do you know all my other Lego Butterfly Knife videos? This is the newest one, and this is the most newest one, and this is the first one, and my CSGO one. CSGO. Yeah, we're gonna make another video, and we're gonna talk about a new Lego butterfly knife. I made almost every kind of Lego butterfly knife. I just need to do one more, and it's kind of like this, but it's longer, just longer. So yeah, before we start the video, like, subscribe. I'm not forcing you to do it, but you can, because it makes me happy. And notificate down below. And comment down below. I'll give you 4 days. Comment down below. What should I make on my next video? So yeah, let's start. This is from a game. This is from a game called tf2. It's the Spies butterfly knife. So this is how it looks when it's open. We just saw how it looks when it's closed. You can close it if you want. It's fine. Okay, so I didn't make a Spies blade, but it's not a real one either. But I can make one. I'm trying to. But for now, it's going to be that. Probably that's how the blade will look right now. So this is a tf2 Spies Lego butterfly knife. I didn't put in color, but at least I made it. But they're all colorful on my other ones except the CSGO one because it's made out of paper. Paper has no color. And it's not color paper either. How it looks when it's folded. Here's how it looks when it's closed. So we're also learn some tricks here. Just unlock it. First I'm gonna learn is how to open it, right? 1, 2. Gotta swing it up. 3. It opens normally. Try closing. Okay. It accidentally broke. It broke. Gotta squeeze it in there. Got into a little accident. Okay. Okay. I can fix it. Okay. Got some fixing. Gonna need to fix some things. Real quick, gonna fix it. We're fixing. Gonna be fixing here a little bit, and then yeah. The blade looks much different now, cause okay, I'm just fixing real quick. Fix it. We don't want it broken, cause this took me a couple hours. It took me at least 2 hours to make and find the pieces and build it together. This only took at least 30 minutes. This took me 3 minutes. This took me the longest because the drying out took really long. This is the second longest. Okay, I'm back. That's how it looks. Now you just swing it. Okay, now. That's how it looks when it's closed. You can also lock it or unlock it. Yes, it can be locked or unlocked. It's a really nice, there's a comfortability here. If you see it, it's comfortable, it's comfortability. The blade does not look like Spy's blade, but it's something. Something, because it's not supposed to be a real one. It's not supposed to be a real blade. Okay, if people are saying, when will I get an intro? I will try to find an intro. I'm actually going to make an intro. But yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, it looks not bad. The opening. So it's open. It's not bad. So it's closing. Okay, that was off camera. Now I'll show you on camera. Just close it. Gotta wait for a couple days for this to you just gotta wait a couple days to make this really wobbly. Like this one. This one is really wobbly. Wobbly. This is not that much. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna take some time to make really wobbly. Yeah, now let's see when it's closing. I like the closing a lot. I like the closing. And yeah, that's all for today for this reviewing tf2 Spies colorful Lego butterfly knife. I'm going to do that for now because this is not wobbly enough. Only this is wobbly. Only the safety handle is wobbly, but not the bite handle. I'm probably going to do this for a while to make it wobbly enough. But yeah, it's really nice. Took me some time, but other than that, it's a really good Lego butterfly knife. Show you all of mine. These are all of mine, including the paper. And I am gonna try to get like a butterfly train. I can't get a trainer, but I can get like a combing one or something like that. But yeah, that's all for today. See ya.